The idea of this project was to give a non-invasive technology to people to monitor their posture and then giving longitudinal feedback to change of behavior at the comfort of their house. Anatomically, the variation between people, there's no one solution fits all. This technology bringing a non-invasive technique to monitoring your different body type, measuring your body type, and then using those parameters inside a model that is trained personally for you. We started with using off-the-shelf technologies to get inspiration about how we can combine these types of data. We're talking about muscle activity, we're talking about spine orientation, we're talking about the pressure applied by the back support from, for example, a chair or a sofa or on your bed. Then we started to actually thinking about different design approaches to creating our own design. And we are so lucky that we have a fabrication space at the RCA that we can actually testing different circuit boards and then putting it on different parts of body. Obviously, there are a lot of challenges when it comes to design, from the dangers of having a lot of lithium polymer batteries on the body, to getting certification, to the efficiency of the wireless communication, how long we can use the platform. So we try to address all of these challenges with the amazing team of product designers, technology solutionists, and many other people who helped us. The value comes from the human beings and understanding their needs. So commercialization is obviously one of our intentions for the future, to make sure that this device has an impact in people's life. But to us, it's also important to make sure that this is an efficient device and it's not going to be something that people cannot afford. This may have a huge value for helping workplaces, just integrating this to the hybrid work setup and then making sure that the staff following the health and safety guidelines outside the office.